Welcome everyone. Question on carbohydrates. For oxygen formation, the effective structural unit necessary is. Choices are A. CHOH CHO, B. CHO CHOH, C. CHOCH3 CHO, D. CHO CHOCH3. Answer is B. CHO CHOH. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Carbohydrates containing CHO-CHOH unit reacts with 3 molecules of phenyl hydrazine to form oxazone. This is called oxazone or bis 1,2-phenyl hydrazone. Thank you for watching this video.